Slightly sweet and very savory cowboy beans are easy and delicious. Simply brown your meat, add the other ingredients, and simmer covered over low heat for several hours. Remember, your ingredients are always listed down below under the description. Start by frying your chopped bacon in the Dutch oven, unless you're using a bacon that's already cooked like this one. Brown your meat with the onion over medium heat, breaking the meat up as it cooks. Rinse and drain your beans. And then add all of your ingredients to the meat. Be sure to taste and adjust your salt and pepper. Your beans should be thick and savory. If they're too watery, simmer them uncovered for 15 to 20 minutes. For other recipes with beans, see my playlist to find recipes like black-eyed pea salad and lentil burgers. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.